There's so much to be discovered about our planet and the animals who inhabit it. What will we discover when we journey into the wild?
Did y'all catch a glimpse of those cute animals just now? Like that Patagonian maras and the mongoose. Everyone catch a glimpse of that, right? What a great way to start an adventure. Well, my name is Leon and I love to share some special animal friends with you. Hello again, Natalia.
Test. Hi! I'm an animal trainer right here in the Singapore Zoo, and today we are going to meet animals from Asia, Africa, and South America. So keep your eyes open because they'll be appearing from all around you. Now tell me, are you ready to venture into the wild?
Alright, great. Because first coming up is the most total primate in the world. Now, please still getting adjusted to the security. So you can see our trainer Akasha here. This guy is using a clicker. Now, retail livers are incredibly social species as they can live in groups of up to 30 individuals. And look at that black and white striped tail, which is very helpful for them as they use.
The tail also serves another important purpose. When traveling in groups, they'll hold it up high to keep everyone together and wave it to warn each other of a rival group nearby. Lastly, their tails are a weapon, but for peaceful fighters.
Yes. Retail livers have a very special way in solving disagreements and it's called stick fighting. As you can see, they have set bands here on their wrists, and if two males are interested in the same female, now Jojo is a very active and curious member of the raccoon family. And in those flexible big like noses, they used to skip up these trees and small prey in the ground, which they dig up with those strong, sharp claws.
And like the leader we met earlier, they're considered as pests. But we at the Singapore Zoo, however, are big fans of these endearing, nosy creatures.
Now I see that Jojo has found what he's looking for, but soon he'll be heading back home soon. Thank you, Jojo. Now from our social outgoing qualities, joining us is a very shy and elusive animal. Okay, Cindy, I want you to show everyone your snake.
Just come right over here. Good job.
Alright, Cindy. I see that you're holding the snake. Tell me, how does it feel? Is it wet or is it dry? Dry, right? Okay. Now guys, there's a common misconception about snakes as they might appear wet and slimy, but in fact they are smooth and dry because this is because they are
That extinct in Singapore, but a group of passionate researchers and our very own bird park staff built nest boxes and put them all over Singapore. These were first traffic incident and returned to Singapore.
Yes, and while Chika is enjoying some of those tasty trees, soon he'll be flying all over to the platform over there and the platform over there. And when he does, notice that the hornbills are incredibly vocal birds, and in fact sometimes they just don't stop talking. Everyone, listen. Natalia, what does it sound like to you?
Sounds kind of like my grandmother laughing.
You know, I was about to say that Chica here sounds a little bit like a cackling witch, but I don't mean